Hello everyone. So today I've decided to let you in on me making dinner. Yes, I know some people don't like breakfast for dinner. I absolutely love breakfast for dinner. So as you can see by here, I'm making some pancakes for my dinner. Now, which is different, and you may notice by some of the other things that are here, I'm going to be making a Nutella and peanut butter pancakes. A friend of mine showed me this recipe today, if you can call it a recipe, so I have decided to make it for dinner. So I'm also adding in a twinge of banana because I feel that banana kind of goes with peanut butter and Nutella. So to start off, I'm going to crack the egg. Oops. Some people say that's not a good way to crack the egg, but I absolutely have no problem. Forgot my spoon. I know a lot of people use whisks in order to do this kind of thing, but I have no problem with, just need some water. Milk. So yeah, some people use whisks for this. I have no problem not using a whisk for this. I just chill out. Hey, lock! Stop it. Just stirring. Now you want to stir until the batter is rather smooth. Or you can have a thick pancake if you really wanted to. It's good for when you're feeling exceptionally hungry and you just want pancakes quick. You can make the batter really thick, and like 1 or 2 pancakes can equal a bunch of thinner ones. So now I'm gonna cut the banana. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the banana beforehand. That was rather extreme. I'm going to put the banana in here and mush it up. Mush. Mush. Now it's all mushed up, so I'm gonna just put it in. It smells very banana-like in here now. It's very overpowering. Alright, time to mix that in. If we don't just get one huge chunk of banana in there. I'm gonna cut a few slices of the banana for future use. We'll set that back off to the side for now. In order to better facilitate the peanut butter and the Nutella, I'm going to put them in here and melt it down just slightly. Fresh Nutella. Take some of the peanut butter. Now that we have a slightly more jellified peanut butter and Nutella spread, we're gonna make the pancakes. Alright, so I preheated the griddle here, the pan. So I'm just gonna pour a tiny bit pancake mix into the pan. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the mix here. Mix it up. I'm gonna pour it in here. Let's get more globular. And then I'm gonna pour a little more on top of that. And assuming that it's gone, use my spatula to somewhat turn that. Didn't work as well as I thought. Usually I have the stove on a little hotter than this, but I didn't want to burn the pancakes. That's a bit of a fail pancake there. Alright, so that's the first one. Can we make it number 2 any better? Probably should have made more mix here. Covered that up. Let's see if I have a better time flipping it and not. I don't know if you can see here, but there's a dark spot, and that's the peanut butter and Nutella mix. And I guess third time's the charm. This is a monster. I'll wait for it to properly cook on that side this time. Aha! Successful slip. Flip. Not a slip. A flip. And these are all done now. Now that we have our Nutella and peanut butter pancakes, it's time to dress them up a little bit with a couple of banana slices. And then some whipped cream. Normally I'd put some maple syrup on, but these are probably sweet enough. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll make something else in the kitchen soon.